Hello, everybody. Let's make sure. Hi, everyone. Move this back a little bit. Okay, um, when you come on, let me know if you can see me. If I'm freezing up, well, not me freezing up. If the video is freezing up, let me know. Hi, everyone. Hello. Happy Thursday. How's your Thursday going? Hi, everybody. Coming in. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk immigration. Hi, everybody. Hello. Let's see here. Coming in. Happy Thursday, everyone. So, for those who are on, would you please do me a favor and let me know? Am I moving? Well, I'm moving. Am I frozen on your end? If you please put in the comment section, let me know because my screen is telling me my connection is some whatever in my connection is not showing or something. So let me know if you can put in a comment. Let me know if I am coming through or I'm completely frozen so I can restart. I would appreciate that. Hello, everybody. Somebody, I can see some people are on. Come on, let me know. Can you see me okay? Or am I um frozen and it's skipping or whatever the case? Maybe I don't know what the term is. Right? Hi, everyone. Somebody? Anybody? But anyway, I guess I just keep going. Hi, everyone. This is Attorney Abisala Ole Samuel, immigration lawyer based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. You got an immigration case. My firm handles our case time. We can and we do represent immigration clients, regardless of the state you live in. If you live in Utah, you live in Arizona, you live in Texas, you live in Pennsylvania, you live in Massachusetts, Alabama, Mississippi. What other? Well, those ones are close. Montana. Yeah, I don't even like people live in Montana, but I'm just saying. But if you happen to be living there, that's okay. If you've got an immigration case, if it's a case that we handle, we can and we do represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. So once you come on, say hello. We are on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and of course, Facebook. You should see me on Facebook right now as well as YouTube. I broadcast simultaneously for the most part. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. I will give general answers to your question, but nothing more. If you need something specific to your case, you can call to set up a consultation. We can address that at that time. So if somebody will still help me put it in the comment section, let me know that you can see me. I'm not frozen or skipping. I would really appreciate that. I hope you've had a good day. It is 6:13 p.m. in Alabama. I'm still in the office. I'm gonna head from here to go pick up my kid from soccer practice. So work life, mommy life. It is what it is. So hi everyone. This is once again this is Attorney Episola Olale. Oma Baba Sam. Yeah. Contact information is 334-341-4475. Visit our website. Our website address is right on the screen, olalalawfirm.com. Email aos@olalalawfirm.com. Office@olalalawfirm.com. Staff@olalalawfirm.com. So I wanted to talk today about the importance of advance parole. What is the importance of advance parole? So if you don't know, or if you've never, most people know what advance parole is, or otherwise known as reentry permit. That is an application you file with USCIS to be able to leave the country while your immigration case is pending and able to return into the country and not be deemed that you have abandoned your application. So if you have, say, for instance, a marriage-based green card that is pending, if you have an employment-based green card that is pending, 45. If you have an asylum case that is pending, and you don't have a decision yet on those cases, but for whatever reason now you have to leave the country and travel outside the country, because you have a pending case where you don't have a decision yet, and for the most part you may not most people that need advance parole do not have a valid non-immigrant status to be able to go out and come back in. If that's the case, and which for the most part it is, you live in the country without your advance parole. The importance of having that application before and having it approved before you leave is that if you leave while you have a pending case, you will be deemed to have abandoned your application. And that would also prevent you from being able to stay in the United States legally. Now, why is an advanced parole? So basically, advanced parole allows you to travel and re-enter and seek parole back, to be paroled back into the country. That's the word paroled in there. To be paroled back into the country because you have a pending immigration application. Why is it important for you to make sure you have it approved and you have it with you before you leave? Like I said, that is your way to get back in when you have a pending application. Most people, let's do for example, you file a marriage, but you have a marriage-based application. Most of the time, and you're like an immediate relative of a citizen, you file your I-131 is a form that you actually will file to seek advanced parole. It's a form I-131. You file that usually with your application to adjust status to register permanent residence. Since you are out of status and you want to travel, you've already accrued unlawful presence. Advanced parole is what will allow you legally to be able to come back in, because it's an authorization from immigration that you want to travel, and this is authorizing you to come back in and await the decision in your case. If you leave the country without an advanced parole, what happens? So, and one thing is this, as far as, and there was a case law, I think it was Arabelli, don't quote me on that, where they were Indian couple and they had an employment-based adjustment of status, but they traveled back and forth. And then when the decision was made, it was denied. And USCIS claimed that it was denied because they were deemed to have abandoned their application by departing the United States. Anyway, long story short, they were placed in removal proceedings, appealed to BIA, and BIA came back and said, no, that departure is not within the definition of departure to now trigger a bar to coming back. It is not, because they had the authorized advance parole. If they did not have that, they would not have any basis to challenge or appeal their case. So if you have overstayed in the country for more than 180 days, but less than 1 year, generally you will trigger what we call the 3-year bar. That means you will not be able to seek admission to the United States for at least 3 years. If you have overstayed and you're not in removal proceedings, if you have overstayed in the country for more than a year, you will trigger the 10-year bar. So that means that once you leave, you would not be able to come back into the country until after 10 years. If you file a marriage-based petition, for instance, and you have your application to register permanent residence, and you file your advance parole, and it's granted, even though you have accrued unlawful presence, because you have an approved permission, authorization to go and come back in the advance parole, you will not have to be subjected to that bar. So it is crucial to have your advance parole that before approved, and use that travel authorization to come back in. Make sure you have it. If you do not have it approved before you leave, you will trigger that bar because you've already accrued unlawful presence. So your departure without an advance parole to let you come back in is going to be deemed as you having abandoned your application. And then you'll have to deal with being stuck outside, or even if you come back in, I don't even know how you're going to get it, because that's what allows you to come back in. But you will trigger those bars, and then you'll find your application denied, and you will not be able to come back into the country. So do not travel outside the country unless you plan not to come back. You're like, okay, you know what? I'm down. Bye, USA. That's different. If you still plan to come back in, right? Get your advance parole approved before you leave. That is the way you can. It's no guarantee. It's everyone still has to be admissible at the port of entry, but that is, for lack of a better comparison, that is like your new visa to come back in while you have that application pending. So make sure that you have an advance parole, and make sure that you get your documentation in place before you leave the country, and so you don't trigger a bar or prevent yourself from coming back into the country once you travel. If you need help with any immigration case, contact our office. Number is scrolling across the screen, 334-341-4475. Visit our website at olelawfirm.com right there. You can also send an email to aos@olelawfirm.com. So thanks to all those who jumped on. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.